Are your balcony vegetables turning yellow, growing slowly, or not producing at all? You might be making a few simple mistakes that are quietly killing your plants. Growing balcony vegetables can be simple and productive, but small mistakes can stop your plants from thriving. Let's fix the most common ones. The first mistake is using containers that are too small. When roots don't have enough space, plants stop growing and produce less. For crops like tomatoes and eggplants, use containers that are at least 12 to 14 inches deep and wide. The second mistake is using regular garden soil in containers. It becomes compact, blocks airflow, and holds too much water. Instead, use a loose mix of soil, compost, and coco peat to improve drainage and root growth. Many people water their plants every day without checking the soil. Overwatering can rot the roots, while underwatering stresses the plant. Instead, check the soil first. If the top 1 to 2 inches feel dry, then water deeply. Many people think bright light is enough, but most vegetables need direct sunlight. Without it, plants grow weak and stop producing. For crops like tomatoes and chillies, aim for at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sun every day. Every time you water, nutrients wash out of the container. Without regular feeding, plants become weak and stop producing. Add compost regularly and feed your plants every 2 weeks to keep them healthy. Here are a few quick tips. Group pots to protect from strong wind. Support taller plants with stakes. Check leaves regularly for pests and use neem oil if needed. If your balcony vegetables are not growing well, fix these 5 mistakes and you'll see the difference fast. Start small, stay consistent, and your plants will reward you.